go. This is my ride today, guys. It's a 1969 Daimler V8-250. Old-fashioned radio, look. It's got push button start. It's all automatic. Got bench seats on the front. All nice wood dash. Got some lovely clocks on it. We've even got a CD player, look. I'm on one of my wedding missions today. Beautiful little place. All daffodils are out. Hope you enjoyed a little look at my little Sunday drive. It's a little V8 2.5 litre Daimler. Runs beautiful. Just been on one of my little jaunts today, taking it for a little drive. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Enjoyed watching. Take care. Bye bye for now.